Have you ever wondered how fresh, green cucumbers transform into crispy, tangy pickles bursting with sweet and sour flavors? This process is far more complex than you might think. It's not just about soaking cucumbers in brine, it's an advanced technological system powering a billion-dollar industry, producing millions of jars of pickles every day. But let's rewind a bit. Before cucumbers enter the factory, where does their journey truly begin? Imagine this: a vast green field, bathed in golden sunlight. Lush cucumber vines stretch endlessly, swaying in the breeze. A seasoned farmer, holding a freshly picked cucumber, smiles with pride. But what happens next is truly astonishing. Every cucumber carries a story. From the moment it's planted to the day it ripens, it faces numerous challenges: harsh weather, lurking pests, and the fight to survive. Only the strongest cucumbers make it to the next stage of their journey. Did you know that cucumbers aren't just another vegetable? They are the result of meticulous care, passed down farming techniques, and generations of expertise. But their adventure doesn't stop here. Once harvested, these cucumbers undergo a series of extraordinary processes to become the crunchy pickles we all love. So what makes the difference? How does an ordinary cucumber transform into a snack with bold flavors and the perfect crunch? The secret lies in the next steps of this journey, and you're about to witness the entire process. We're diving deep into every stage, uncovering how technology and craftsmanship turn an everyday ingredient into a culinary masterpiece. Stay tuned, because the most fascinating parts are just ahead. Every great pickle starts with the perfect land. Welcome to Plainview, Texas, one of the best places in the U.S. to grow cucumbers. With fertile sandy soil, low humidity, and cool nights, this region provides the ideal conditions for cucumbers to thrive, producing higher yields than most other locations. But growing cucumbers isn't as simple as planting seeds and waiting. Every step, from soil preparation to irrigation and fertilization, is carefully calculated to ensure only the highest quality cucumbers make the cut. Imagine holding a tiny cucumber seed in your hand. You plant it in the soil, water it, and wait. But it's not that simple. Let's uncover the secrets behind growing the perfect cucumbers for the pickle industry. First, the soil must be perfectly prepared. It's tilled to create a soft, aerated foundation, allowing roots to grow without resistance. Moisture levels are carefully controlled. Too dry or too wet, and the seeds won't sprout properly. Once the seeds are sown, an advanced irrigation system keeps the soil at optimal conditions. Each drop of water breathes life into the seeds, awakening them for germination. But this is just the beginning. Over the next 50 days, cucumber plants require constant care. Farmers monitor the weather, manage weeds, and most importantly, rely on pollinators. Without bees, there would be no cucumbers. Without tiny, hardworking bees, we wouldn't have cucumbers for pickling. Surprising, right? But in reality, bees play a crucial role in pollination, ensuring only the best cucumbers make it to the factory. Let's uncover the vital contribution of bees to cucumber farming. Each cucumber flower blooms for just 24 hours. In that short window, it needs to be pollinated at least 10 times to develop into a full cucumber. A single bee can visit hundreds of flowers in a day, ensuring maximum pollination. Recognizing their importance, farms invest in over 100 beehives, strategically placed throughout the fields. These buzzing workers boost productivity and improve cucumber quality, ensuring they grow straight and uniform. But bees face many challenges. Weather conditions, pesticides, and habitat changes can affect their efficiency. That's why farmers take extra precautions to create the best environment for their essential pollinators. Now it's time for harvest. Picking cucumbers by hand would take months. So how do farmers harvest millions of cucumbers in just a few days? The answer lies in high-powered harvesting machines, revolutionizing modern agriculture. These machines can harvest up to 50,000 pounds of cucumbers per hour. Not only do they cut quickly, but they also have conveyor systems to transport cucumbers without damaging them. Time is critical. If harvesting is delayed, cucumbers grow too large, losing the crunch necessary for perfect pickles. Every second counts. To maximize efficiency, These machines run day and night, ensuring every cucumber meets the highest standards before leaving the fields. These high-tech harvesters have revolutionized the industry, but the journey isn't over yet. Where do these cucumbers go next? Let's explore the fascinating world of pickle production. Ever wondered why pickles are so irresistibly crunchy and flavorful? The secret lies in a seemingly simple yet crucial process: the saltwater bath. Let's uncover how fresh cucumbers transform into delicious pickles. The first step in pickling is soaking the cucumbers in brine. But this isn't just ordinary salt water. The brine is scientifically measured to the exact percentage, ensuring the perfect balance of flavor, never too salty, never too bland. This process doesn't just preserve cucumbers, it changes their cellular structure. As the cucumbers soak, water molecules inside are replaced with brine, making them firmer, crunchier, and packed with flavor. Timing is everything. Soak too long and the cucumbers lose their freshness, too short and the flavors don't fully develop. That's why every batch is carefully monitored to achieve the perfect taste and texture. The saltwater bath is just the beginning. There are still more intricate steps before these cucumbers become the ultimate pickles. Let's move on to the final stage. The cucumbers have soaked, achieving peak crunchiness. But how do these delicious pickles reach consumers while staying fresh and flavorful? Welcome to the final meticulous stage: packaging and distribution. Before packaging, every pickle undergoes strict quality control. Any that are too soft, too small, or oddly shaped are removed. Only the crispiest, most perfect pickles make it into the jars. Next, glass jars are sterilized with hot water and high-pressure steam, ensuring a bacteria-free environment. Each pickle is carefully arranged, making sure the jars are visually appealing when they hit the shelves. From fresh cucumbers on the farm to perfectly pickled delights, this journey is a testament to precision, innovation, and passion. Do you think pickles deserve their billion-dollar status? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fascinating food journeys.